I was at Beitbridge, the Zimbabwean side, for quite some days. And I happened to visit the hospital, the Beitbridge District Hospital. I have got deaths. I have got the evidence. I have got the stamps. I did accompany somebody who was not feeling well in the late hours of around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. When we went to the hospital, the nurse wrote a certain prescription and handed over me the paper. And I said, what am I supposed to do here? The nurse said, you need to go and purchase the items mentioned on such a prescription. I said, where can I go and buy them? He said, around here, there are a lot of pharmacies that are still opened. For sure, a few meters away, I went to the pharmacy. I purchased those items at a cost of $13 US. I came back. When I opened the package, there were some items that I recall. There was a pipe for a drip and 2 connectors for that drip, the other one which connects the drip and the other one that connects to the human body. There was also a needle, 2 needles for testing sugar diabetes, if you are to be tested sugar diabetes. Some, they know the health jargons which they use. I fed the acid a lot of people whom were at the hospital. Then they told me that here, if you are admitted, you pay $6 for the bed per day. $6 US. For scanning, you pay $20 US. When our women are giving birth at such a hospital, they pay for jik and domestos. Believed that they've spoiled the sheets and such sheets needs to be washed. Therefore, today I ask the Minister of Health. I ask the Ministry of Health. I ask the so-called activists. I ask the so-called oppositional political party leaders. And those that are in the ruling part of ZANU-PF. Are you aware of that? Why is it that our people are suffering to such an extent? Imagine if such a person have got an infectious disease and does not have the money to pay for medication and for the bed at a public hospital. Obviously, this person is going to die at home. I think this is the main reason some of our people are crossing the crocodile-infested river of Limpopo right straight to the South African side for health or a medical attention. At Border Beitbridge, we've got a port of entry that is generating a lot of money per day. We pay the health levy in everything that we purchase in Zimbabwe. There is health levy. Nearby the Beitbridge, just a few kilometers away, there is a toll gate, which means there is no shortage of money in Beitbridge. Again, we have got a pipeline that passes through Beitbridge to the South African side where we sell water to South Africa. All those economical activities and the mining activities surrounding such an area are failing to benefit and cater for our people. Is this Zimbabwe that is always said, Nyika inovakwa nevene vayo? I don't want to mention your names. I know you are so loud. I'm not talking about the negative side of Zimbabwe. I'm talking of reality. Where things are done in a rightful way, I do appreciate and applaud. But we are talking of a basic need of the people. We are talking of the health of the people, which should be free. A child bitten by a scorpion, the parent has to pay for such a medication. How on earth? Why are we bleeding our people? Why is it that the Border Beitbridge post that generates such a lot of money? Why are we not diverting part of that money to cater for the locals at such a hospital at Border Beitbridge? Nitulele.
I'm not good. But the land, wait. But I like too much. I was going to tell you what to put
Puta wena puta. Paka sis. Ah, paka. Paka matlara. Paka. En la escala voy a causar, la carrera que voy a retirar hasta camoto. Es que va a dar causar. Voy a no le paka kwa. Lisi.
Next time. Tamati taberi hata camoto. Gazebe taberi ifisa. Sorry,
Paka luwena bana. Hey, paka. Paka tlara, paka voy a no le paka. Simon no paka kwa lien. Wana Simon. O nyaka rutusa o paka ka ditlapa o nyaka o paka pila. Ahora rena o nyaka rutusa ka ditlapa o nyaka o paka pila na. Wana Simon. Ro balla le wena o tsetse ka o dlala wena. Mina le metayo. Paka.
I just want to tell you guys, all South Africans from Soshanguve, Mojuguleni as a whole, the whole of Juguleni, that the Wikutong clinic is for South Africans only. Mo Wikutong, mo clinic ya Wikutong, Kotanama South African fela. We are here to enforce our immigration laws. Act 13 of 2002, Section 17, that says all foreigners should seek any medical help and healthcare from private clinics and private hospitals. From now on, mo clinic ya Wikutong, Kotanama South African fela, and the community will be running the program and will be enforcing our immigration laws. Salute South Africans, Lerata Kaufela, Wikutong clinic, Galo Nama South African. Enjoy your services.
Sizosheshisa asizile ngempi sizovikela idolobha lethu. Ngifisa ukubonga kakhulu abaholi be-IFP abahlangane ne-AfriForum esigadi idolobha kwaze kwasa, ngoba lezi ntuthwane kade zila, lezi nambuzane kade zila, leli gciwane ekade lima, asilazi babe ngekho sivikela leli dolobha ngeluthi.
South Africans nanoma ngabe benidlala no 22 amaZimbabwe abe 11 beningeke niwine. Ayikho into eniwinako phezulu kwamaZimbabwe. Nenza ngathi niwaphakela ukudla nanizokhuluma nithi he Zimbabweans this hey abasizweli ngoba bebangadlali kahle. Yabona ayikho team edlala kahle la eSouth Africa noma kuma club games abo Chiefs abo Pirates nangabe awekho amaZimbabwe. Ukuthi isoka yase South Africa ibe mnandi amaZimbabwe. Manje nenza ngathi niwaphakela ukudla ungathi nawafika lana afika vele kunomsebenzi olinde bona. Kanti amaZimbabwe nawo ahamba ayozifunela umsebenzi amakete njengawo awuthola umsebenzi, and there's a lot of Zimbabweans abangasebenzi abasaphangelana nomsebenzi kufana nawo. Manje nani sothi bekufanele basizwele benifuna ukuthi benzeni banike with a silver plate. Leyo angeke nithole le. Sanikhuza ngisho nani badudula ukuthi yekelani labantu bebazonizwela. Manje angisho benidudula much too much dudula yabona manje banidudule mina. Umhlaba wonke unibhekile manje sothi hayi mabahambe bazoya kuphi. Mina elami lithi nangabe usewufikile lana uzobona ibhola. Mangabe ubona ukuthi uzoba nenhlanhla vele salo ufuna umsebenzi yatholakala umsebenzi mangabe userious. Laba bangasebenzi vele suka bangafuna ukumarket ehlezi endlini ulinda umngane azomtshela ukuthi kuyacashwa. iZimbabwe lifika namhlanje chathi 2 weeks lihamba limarketa ngakuphi yonke lento benza noma yini abakhetha imisebenzi. Abahambi bayogadana namakaro bashovana namatrol abantu baseZimbabwe bayasebenza yabo. Manje nina nithanda ukuthi hayi iZimbabwe ayisizweli kube thina siba hostile lana sibanika ukudla. Ngubani uke wavakashela iZimbabwe walinika ukudla bayasebenzela labantu. Banikhombila musi. iZimbabwe ngitshelile musi last week. I posted a video ngantshela nganikhuza ngathi iZimbabwe is talented in a lot of ways. Nibonile musi ukuthi they are so talented.
Ngithulele. Kunabantu baholi abafuna ukungisukela ngithulele. Angithi sibe demolisha lapha ya. saphazanyiswa yilento yalomhlaba. I-contractor yamove ama-container lana because bakhala ngokuthi bayawarentela and amile babhizi balokhu bayarenta kodwa kusetshenzwa. Bathi bazowabuyisela ku-supplier uma sesilungisa i-issue yomhlaba bazowabuyisa. Ngoba ba-incur ama-cost bengekho esayithini bengasebenzi because isa-resolve i-issue yomhlaba. So-ke ngizwile ukuthi khona bafuna ukufaka imikhukhu laphaya. Ningangisukeli-ke ngiyithulele. Baholi. Ngicela nje ungasukelwa ngiyithulele. Ngitheke ey'nduleni namhlanje silapha emhlabeni ngathi induna sengiyazi khona bafuna ukufaka imikhukhu lapha. Uyabona-ke ngoba mina ngiyanazi ayidiphlufo ukuthi uma kukhona into engingayiboni kahle nayo energy. Ngathi i-energy-ke soyichanela-ke manje ukuyodila nalaba bantu abalapha. Kulezi iy'nsuku la eGoli ngihamba ne-TLP angiyiphethe la ngoba ningisuke lapha. Kulezi iy'nsuku nje la ngihamba ne-TLP. Ngoba we are fixing the country. Ngoba kunabantu nje who are so hell bent ekuxoveni nje isimo sokuhlala. Ngeke sithi siney'nkinga lana zama ukusolve ama-problems ngapha sixakwe leya company leyana nalo hulumeni we-apartheid ngapha sixakwe labasebenza bahambe bayotransfera umhlaba singasi njengamakhansela bese kusuka nje abantu befuna ukuzoxova into kuzama ukulungisa. Sizolungisela bona futhi ngabaze besuka bese berentisana imikhukhu laphaya. So nje asingasukelani. Ake sisebenze nje bakithi kube mnandi kuhleke kujatshule. Ningafuni ukusibona ngoba sihamba nayo ngempela leya TLP yadlala. Hayi ngoba sinenhliziyo ezilikhuni kuyazwela kodwa ke awukwazi ukuma endleleni yokusebenza bese kufuneka sisimile nawe. So nje ngifuna ukuyicela nje lo semhlala phansi baholo ukuthi ayingasukelani nje lokho angempela. Ngoba sizongena sizobhidliza umuntu. Uzothe enkantolo sibe simbhidlizile. Ngoba abanye phela bathemba ukuthi bazosigijimisa bese seyinkantolo. Uzothi enkantolo sibe sengubhidlizile. So abantu nje abayeke lokho befuna ukuyofaka imikhukhu lapha. So ngenzela ukuthi makuthi bekhona la bayazi ukuthi sengiyazi. Mina akukho la engingazazi khona yabona nje la eGoli akukho la engingazazi khona indawo mina nginabangani yonke indawo la eGoli akunabo nje kuphela leko Fourways nako Bryanston nawo kuphi kodwa nje informal settlements hostel la elokishini nginabangani everywhere ayikho indaba engingayazi.
All of us, we are very angry. That's why we are out today to protest that this should not be continued again. We have South African citizens inside this country. We leave them, we did not go. Their investments are so much here. They are here. We did not hurt them. Why must they hurt our people?
Don't even come back. From Monday throughout the year, every day. So I'm tipping you. Don't even come back.
Operation Dudula is a group of dom corps, a bunch of gangsters.
My South African people, tell me something, especially EFF members. Is it still fair to refer to South Africans as xenophobes after the latest revelation? I mean, we all saw large quantities of South African medication in boxes heading to Zimbabwe. If it wasn't for that Limpopo accident, we're never going to know. So all this time, people who were saying that there is a syndicate that collects medication from our public health care facilities to cater for people who are even outside of the South African border, they were correct. How do we rectify this? Is it correct to label South African people who are concerned on how their tax money is spent? Is it correct to label them xenophobes still? Is this not some form of exploitation and abuse? Is this not some form of entitlement?
Tutula. Oh. My phone in the thing. Sorry, sisters. ID. I gave on a mom. Yes? Oh, sir. Serious? What's okay? Hey, mom. What's okay? Lord, dear, I see. Hi, Kay. Bakutsa ka o tsama go mo go Mozambique. Ka bush. A go tsama Mpumalanga. Mara ID. Ke bitsa wa Home Affairs. A ke ra nna ke sho. Ke bitsa wa Home Affairs. Ana ya tsa. Ba etsa. Arona lo. Bitsi ka tlhoko. Are we going to go Maruna? Unna Sele. It's 7B. I'm talking to Bushuka. Follow up. What's up, Bushuka? Try, ma'am. Try, Osa, you have a hole. What's the hello, Russia? What any satisfaction? La go bontsha Home Affairs na a ke ro tlhaga bush a ke bona
mass deportation yama undocumented foreigners okusho ukuthi bonke laba bangana amaphepha mhlawumbe nje noma ngaphuma nga 3000 ngosuku bese siyacela futhi and kule mass deportation nenkantolo zethu ziyangena kukhona isikhulu la samaphoyisa kukhona nesikhulu se-NPA sikhona lana sizocela ukuthi babambisane ngoba esinye isikhathi amaphoyisa athi siyabopha thina sibayise enkantolo bese bayabagezela kanjani umuntu onganawo ama-documents uthi uthole ibail bese bezomanje nabo sithi abalalela umthetho bese siyacela ukuthi mabaprosecute ababoshwe kodwa futhi siyayithanda naleyo ukuthi kuthiwa ngazi ukuthi bebeboshwa bazoboshelwa ngasemakubo ayisikhathele umnandi la eSouth Africa kuthiwa badla kathathu ngosuku lapha emakubo kuthiwa abazi ngisho isinkwa the reason bangayihloniphi imithetho la eSouth Africa ukuthi benze izinto abangeke bazenze emakubo bese sithi futhi siyacela futhi iprogram yokubambisana namaphoyisa no-prosecutor bethu ney'nkantolo zethu yokureclaim ama-building ethu awusekumbe point bakwethu kunjani makunje edrobheni abantu bakhona bakha imjondolo phakathi ebuildingini kanjani bayakhala abantu bathi nangihlala la nabogogo bethi kade bekhala bathi ngisasihleli kahle la kwafika laba kwathiwa siphume ukhipha kanjani umuntu wakini wena uwazi kahle ukuthi ugogo omdala uzube nesibindi sokuhlangana nabantu bangaphandle nokhipha umuntu omdala hayi khohlakala ngempela enye into esicelayo ilento yama-business license please ama-business license ngiyanicela nisukumele le.
Sometimes I do ask myself, Maponisa Akaman Nitiga South Africa or Kiaukaina. I ask myself such questions. How about Ubona South Africa Maja? Ubona Ponisa, Hadinal Swallow, long cast paper spray South Africans come Rokamo and foreigners. You ask yourself, this man in blue, are they fighting corner? We respect that uniform. How can a social media utola the kwara libuani lilintoena libuani liliponisa the way when you will never utele liponisa kate uba uhlaba go utele liponisa kwara ngikhala nekile house
Apologize. It was funny when he was running. Apologize. It was not funny. Apologize. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. country away. We're not doing the wrong thing.
Ngaphandle ukuthi silwe. Ngaphandle kwempi. Bangakwazi ukuthi besishayiswe ngomoya. Lento lokuthiwa illegal foreigners and legal foreigners chazwa lezo zinto lezo. Abahambe abadingakala kulelizwe. Siyacela sicela ukuxoxa zomndeni inkinga zekhaya seziningi kakhulu umuntu nje ngokufika kulelizwe bakwethu siyacela ukuthi akethe ukuvakasha kubo naye akawushisa impepho yakubo ngoba ngenze ukuthi lamaphatha afika nabo kuyenzeka ushela intombi ukhamwe intombi uphelele umsebenzi kuyenzeka ushela intombi ukhamwe intombi ufe ubulawa abantu kuyenzeka ushela intombi uqomise ube nezibhathu unyanywa abantu ngiyacela kanza kwethu ngithi mina njengamanje abantu bokufika peacefully siyacela bakwethu.
It must be a war. War will come. These foreigners are not quiet because they don't want to talk. But if they want war, they will get the war.
We don't care.
I'm not here. Talk. I should go there. You are all very useless. I should go. Say, I should go there. I should go to Nigeria. Come and carry me home. Very racist, useless people. Carry me home now. See them. Very useless people. You are useless. You are useless. See, you cannot even represent.
We don't care. You can take videos and pictures and everything. It's fine.
Hey, madam, don't touch my car.
We are doing our job.
I'm telling you, don't touch my car. So you're allowed. And you're allowed to be racist too, eh? You're allowed to be racist. With your uniform, eh? You will all lose your job. Watch. I will make sure you lose your job. Watch and see. I will make sure you lose your job. You are fucking racist.
Everywhere there is a president that you found. Everywhere there is a president.
No problem. No problem. You will lose your jobs. Don't worry.
Why are you fighting for?
It's fine.
What are you fighting for? What are you fighting for?
You can't hinder us from doing our jobs. No, you can't do that.
I beg you.
What's your problem?
I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Move it.
We're doing our job here. You're so rude. I ask you so nice to search your car and you're like, hey, why are you doing this? Like for what?
I should go home now. Come and carry me home. Carry me home. I have drugs there. I'm Nigerian. I have drugs there. Take the drugs.
We search each and every car that comes and goes out of.
You are very useless. People are very useless. I'm telling you. You guys are very useless. Rubbish. See you. Go home. Go home. Oh yeah, come and carry me home now. I'm not going. Carry me. Carry me. Carry me. Very useless people. Carry me. Carry me home. Mama, these guys are fucking racist. Are telling me rubbish. How can you be racist like that? And you're telling me nonsense. Do I look like an illegal immigrant? That you're telling me to go home? Oh yeah, come and carry me home now.
Can you relax?
What the hell are these people?
You relax. Relax.
And you are working for a company.
Relax. Relax. Good job.
I'm not here. Talk. I should go there. You are all very useless.
I think no Operation Dudula member can stand and debate with me.
Ari, ML la mulai. Bahensu. Rekopela re beregisane ne. Rekopela le beregisane, re beregisane. Wa bana dilo tseso. Tseso a ke tlo tolerate sesi. E re go botse ne. Wena wa tsamaya ona beno a ke nyo go itse ro tlhaka o irang are ML. ML la bana ba. ML la bana ba ona beno. Mo fe. Kanona no re mo gate mo na re tse ka no go tlhala. Are tsa dilo tsa o tsamaya. Are ML la man. How? Justice. Kantele na le tsuru tsontse le private clinic.
can go to private, but they give me appointment.
No, you don't even take. Hey, don't backchat me, you. Don't backchat me, you.
Yeah, you said it.
Yeah, RML Laman.
So don't tell me I can't go to.
Yeah, you can go now.
Yeah, I can
I'm telling you.
Oh, they give me appointment.
Yeah, you don't need to appointment. Wake up, RML Lemel. Stand up. Oh, you think this is a banana republic, RML? We don't need you foreigners in this country. Are go. Are Tama. Are Rofeli, it's only to Tuntuiti, transfer letter. I'll see. Hurry. Uzunibia.
Don't shout at me.
Don't shout
at me.
I'm
telling you, don't
hey,
shout
man,
at me.
look at Taliban.
Don't bring me to this country, so don't shout at me.
Okay, banning you over me. Now didn't brought you to this country.
So
when you must go. You must go.
You must go where?
Yeah, wherever. I don't know.
It's not a problem.
So, bonke lekenge operation to do nje ama-dom cops. Ama-dom cops any day, any time. Ngihlezi ngiready. Any day, any time. And I will never change my stance. Ngihamba nama-Africans, wire. Never change my stance.
Guys, at all. We are sick and tired of being sick and tired. Guys, when you need churches, go into old churches. Go and rent out a church. Not here. Because people are going. I would say it, you even know it. Phase 3. Last year, a couple, a husband and a wife made their 3-year-old baby. So we don't want these churches here. Because one, you are catching people.
What are you doing?
You are always using the marine spirits.
Witches.
If we offer you buildings there, you do not use those buildings. Why are you
No,
up to churches and roads?
South
What do you
Africa
want
has
to
own
achieve?
churches.
So listen, this is the last time. So all the calabashes that are there, all float, and including you, are selling yaga. But when I'm talking to you nicely, are selling yaga. You know what you are doing, it's illegal. Because one thing I'll ask you, what's the name of the church?
It's not even registered.
Johan First Apostle Church.
It's not registered in South Africa.
How many Johannes First Apostle Church are there?
200.
No, it's not one. The thing is that you, what's your name?
My name is Elvis.
Elvis. The thing is you, Elvis. You want to be a pastor, you want to be a prophet, then another one.
This is our country. This is our...
Tutula. Don't even come back. From Monday throughout the year, every day. So I'm tipping you.
o permanently o illegal gore a be ka mo khoba a illegal na a tsama go tsa tsa go ba motho mo le mo beng ka mo ga ntse bitse batho go mafese bana ba kgona go ja ba tshwenelwana wa bontsha batho ba ke ba ka mo South Africa
ngwana gore monno banna ba ba sware ka mo re tlo tswa mo banna ba ba swere ka mo
Once these two critical roles are done, that doesn't take away the issue of accountability. I still repeat, but what I need to appreciate and welcome is that the Road Traffic Management Corporation preliminary report, the one that they promised us within 48 hours, they've been able to publish it. And in their publication, they were very clear that there was something wrong with the brakes. If the bus has to be having X brakes to be fixed, only Y, and all those things in their own language, which we do appreciate. They've already indicated that the speeding, especially in that particular area, which is something that we have also were told by the passengers themselves, they've already confirmed the issue of overloading, which we have already indicated. And if you remember, I said, I also would want the bus owner to tell me that when you are given a list of passengers and you are told that you see that it has exceeded the amount, what is it that you are doing? But then the minister herself now has pronounced on this matter, which is her mandate. And therefore, as a province, we welcome that pronouncement by the minister, which simply means she is going to be acting on that. And as a province, we will continue to make calls to say whoever is found wanting on this particular accident, there must be action. And we are glad that immediately when the road traffic management pronounced on these things that I've already indicated, the minister was able to confirm to say even the bus owner must be held accountable. So we welcome that. Let's give the minister the space and allow her with her own, you see, assertiveness. I know she is going to act on this.
I'm going to call them one by one. They charged me for xenophobia also, that I'm xenophobic. I am going to talk about that xenophobic charge. But before I do that, all the lawyers and all the staff of the Human Rights Commission must tell me where are they from originally, in which country are they from that works there, but they must also tell me, well, they're not local people they could have hired that has that skill, because the law wants you to have a special skill. That's when you must take a foreigner. We already have the list of the people that work there, but we will ask them those questions. We will call the president of, or the chairperson of the thing, because he went to go, so as we say in Afrikaans, uitlatings about me. Now they are jealous, now they come a paid campaign. Do you know, for you to go back and come with fake nonsense, not fake, not even fake, untrue, without context, tweets. So we're going to give context to the tweets. We're going to go to court. We are very, very happy. But we are going to defeat them, and I'm going to now come back and deal with individuals and sue them in an individual basis. Mashaba must come and talk there, and my lawyers will ask him questions. He will be there the whole 2 days on that box. But all the Zimbabweans working there, they must come. We've got the list of them. We'll call them to court one by one. How they got into this country? How do they get a work permit? Is there not lawyers that they can hire? We are ready. I don't care if I spend 10 million rands on this matter. We are going to fight, because the repercussions of this court case will be long, long. I'm getting the best SCs going there, because there's so many issues we need to talk about. The truth must come out there.
Enough is enough. We can't handle this anymore. Where we just have to sit back and look at our beautiful country being destroyed.
They came with a traditional job and do it, actually change our traditionality into an evil thing. Now Sangomas, they use people private parts, they use people blood to heal. And which is, we don't know that. Mina, my job is to heal as a traditional healer. But now they come with their healing and do it an evil Illuminati thing that you don't even know what is it.
We're not xenophobic. We want things to be done by the book.
Hallelujah.